안녕하세요. 스피코리안입니다. 오늘은 verb, 동사, 는 게 어때요? 배워요. 같이 케이크를 만드는 게 어때요? 는 게 어때요? is used to suggest or recommend something. So when answering yes to this question, 그게 좋겠어요. that'll be nice. That's good. 그거 좋은 생각이에요. That's a good idea. 좋아요. That's good. Can be used. So maybe in English, maybe how about or why don't you is equivalent. So conjugation rule here is very simple, right? You see here, uh, verb stem plus 는 게 어때요? There's only one rule, right? So 가다, so stem is 가. So you attach 는 게 어때요? After stem. So 가는 게 어때요? Right? The grammar point has the question mark already there. So you want to use this grammar point when you ask something, not answering. 공부하다, stem 공부하. So 공부하는 게 어때요? Right? 타다 means to ride, right? To get on something, get on the bus, like that. So stem 타, so 타는 게 어때요? 만들다, so 만들다, here stem, 만들. So stem end with the 리을 받침, right? So when stem has a 리을 받침, you have to a little bit be careful. Some verbs has the real irregular, right? So 만들다 is a real irregular verb. And if this stem meet with one of 니은 받침, 니은, consonant 니은, or 시옷, or 비읍. So I recommend my students to memorize 사바나, 스브느. One of if real 받침 meet one of consonant 스브느, 사바나, and then you're gonna throw away real 받침 on the stem. So 만들다, 만들 plus 는 게. The connecting word is 는 게, right? Yeah, ending 는 게 어때요? The 는 게 starting with the 니은 consonant that starts with one of 사바나, right? So you throw away 리을 here. So it makes 만드는 게 어때요? 만드는 게 어때요? Okay, let's look for some examples. He looks very tired, right? And he goes, 피곤해요. I'm tired. 피곤해요. And then give suggestion. 오늘은 좀 쉬다. Take a rest. So 쉬는 게 어때요? Why don't you take a rest, right? 쉬는 게 어때요? So give some suggestion. 주말에 같이 영화를 보다. This person says, 네, 좋아요. That sounds good. 그러면 how do you make a suggestion with the 는 게 어때요? 그럼 쌤 보 플러스 는 게 어때요? So 주말에 같이 영화를 보는 게 어때요? 네, 좋아요. 주말에 같이 자전거를 타다. So 타다, make a suggestion with the verb 타다, stem 타는 게 어때요? So 주말에 같이 자전거를 타는 게 어때요? 네, 좋아요. So make a suggestion to ride a bike together on a weekend, right? And 더워요. Then she goes. 그럼 창문을 열다. 열다 means to open. So why don't you open the window, right? 그럼 열다, stem 열 has a real 받침 to, right? And you're gonna attach 는 게 어때요? Ending 는 게 어때요? Starting with a 니은 consonant, right? So you're gonna throw away real 받침 on the stem 열. So that makes 여는 게 어때요? 그럼 창문을 여는 게 어때요? And do you remember we have learned the verb stem 을까요 ending? We use this 을까요 ending when we make a suggestion, right? 을까요 ending, for 을까요 ending sentence, the implied subject is we. Do you remember? So 공원에 갈까요? 는 the speaker make a suggestion to go to the park with the listener. So the subject is, pretty much all the time, we, you and me together, right? Sometimes you see subject 우리 in a sentence, sometimes you don't. 우리 공원에 갈까요? It's very obvious the subject is we, right? But without 우리 공원에 갈까요? The speaker wants to go to the park with the listener. So the implied subject is we. However, verb stem 는 게 어때요 is used for suggesting something or commanding something. But the subject could be either the listener only or we, depends on the context. Here, 주말에 같이 영화를 보는 게 어때요? In here, because of the word 같이 means together. So the speaker intention, watch movie, the listener together. So 주말에 같이 you and me together. 영화를 보는 게 어때요? 말했어요. Right? So the implied subject here is we. How about here? He goes, 피곤해요. And then 오늘은 좀 쉬는 게 어때요? What's the subject for this sentence? 쉬다. Who needs to take a rest? That person, that boy, right? So in this case, the implied subject is the listener only. So this case is not suggesting something to that action together, but to give recommendation to that action.